Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right and Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X. Damn, how I'ma start this video, man? I was thinking, bro, I relapsed, bro. Again, I know, again. Man, I just made a whole video today saying, yeah, I'm in 2 weeks in, you know, I'm feeling good, and that boom. I get home, what I do? I was doing good, I ain't gonna cap, I was doing good, but I was tired. And I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna take a nap. And you know, I hopped on my group chat and I was talking with my mans on my group chat. And you know, the regular smegular. Then I put my phone in the other room. And then yeah, y'all know what happened, man. But I will say, I still watched something, man. I still did something, man. But as you can tell, like, I'm not really too down about it, because I realized something now, man. It's a marathon, not a race, bro. Like, you feel me? Why am I trying to, like, why would I get mad at myself? You feel me? Of course I'm gonna be disappointed in myself, but I'm not gonna be all sad and mopey and stuff. But you know what I did after I did that? I was held accountable for it. You know, I told people in the group chat, I'm telling y'all, like, look, I did this. You know what I did? I hopped right in that shower, got in the cold shower, and yeah, and I'm about to go for a 5-mile run. Like, I'm kind of like punishing myself, stuff like that. Because I'm not just going to sit up here and be like, damn, I did that. And make another video. Boy, ruin my life, bro. No. We not doing that, man. We not doing that. We full of energy now. So, I will say, 2 weeks, that's a long time, bro. Because, like I said, I was doing more than that. But I'm not going to sit back here and do that thing again. Now I'm going to shoot for 3 weeks. Then I'm going to shoot for a month. Well, I'm not even going to shoot for 3 weeks. But, you know, I'm going to keep going. But I at least not gonna do it in 2 weeks, you feel me? But yeah, man, like, I just wanna hop on here and let y'all know, like, it's not a race, it's a marathon, man. And that's a prime example. Coming to lay down in my bed when I'm not ready to really go to sleep yet. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that, bro. And leave your phone out the other room. Like, I knew I should have did that, and I knew, like, you'd be like, damn, nope, I'm gonna just do a little peek. And it didn't even start off like that, man. I was on Instagram responding to y'all comments, bro. Responding to y'all comments. And then, yeah, you know what happened, man. You know what happened. But, like I said, I'm not going to sit down here and be all down again, man, because it's not ruining my life. I already control that aspect. I will let y'all know that don't do it. This is not a video to, you feel me? Like, I don't want people... Like I said, it's real talk, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm perfect, and I'm gonna tell y'all, don't do that. Don't watch them videos. I don't do it no more, so y'all don't do it. Nah, I ain't gonna do that. You feel me? I'm gonna be 100% transparent with y'all. I did it. So what? It's in the past. You feel me? I can't fix yesterday, but I can build tomorrow. You feel me? And I came up with that quote, so nobody steal it. You can't fix yesterday, but you can build tomorrow. I can't fix what happened in the past, but I can change what happens in the future. You get what I'm saying, man? But yeah, man, I'm not gonna let this, you feel me, upset me or nothing like that. Well, it is gonna upset me, but I'm gonna go get my mind off of it, and it's like, it's not the end of the world, bro. I'm gonna just get back up and try again. When you fall down in a race, you get back up and try again. You don't keep moping around and stuff like that. And I don't know, but yeah, I'm about to go run 5 miles and do a little discipline to myself. Go run 5 miles on the treadmill. I already hopped in a cold shower, so if y'all relapse and y'all watching this video, bro, don't feel bad. Don't relapse if you didn't yet, but you feel me? Don't feel bad. Don't sit up here and act like, you know, it's the end of the world. Just go discipline yourself, bro. Hop in a cold shower afterwards. Do 25 push-ups afterwards, bro. And that's the thing. Before I did relapse, bro, I did 25 push-ups. But that shit made it even harder. Like, that shit made me even more like, like, I guess it was all that built up energy. But yeah, I just want to hop on here and let y'all know what happened. And yeah, don't let it upset you. Just keep pushing, bro. You feel me? And with that being said, I'll catch y'all in this video, man. Gang.